All right. Welcome back, everybody. We're at the K River for Summerfest 2025. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jim. Got Miss Dee Dee. Got a little scout over there, along with the good old roof nesters.
Hello.
It's going to be a great weekend. Yeah, Scout's saying hi. Hi. Gonna do some cooking, some camping. Gonna get out on that beautiful river out there at some point, and maybe a cold snack or two. So, happy birthday, America, and thanks for watching. All right, got through the rain, got through some power issues, so they had some breakers maybe not tripped right, so we all got power now at least. Trying to get some food going. I've got everything in a Ziploc. I got some tortilla chips, red enchilada sauce, some green chilies, and a can of this Swanson, I think that's what it is, chicken breast. Nice thing about this, especially at camp, you don't have to touch anything. You just dump it all in this bag, mix it together in the bag like this, throw it in the Omnia, cook it up, put some cheese on top of it. 30-45 minutes at the most, you got you a great meal. I think there's an unwritten rule. You get 2 or more bushwhacker campers together, it's gonna rain every time. But guess what? 82 degrees summertime, I'm not complaining. Friend Brian up in New York says it's triple digits up there. Holy smokes. We haven't hit that yet, so we've been fortunate. Got Jennifer over here and Nana getting their free solo set up. We got Sam and Claire over there. They got their setup going. Finally got some power going. It's a bit of a struggle, but we got it going. Got your power going?
Yes.
Life is good then.
Life is good.
All right.
You know what the password?
Yeah. Well, we were suppose when we got back from Long Shoulder a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago,
Oh, that looks great. Nothing beats a potluck.
and then after that, put it on top, add some soy sauce and
Okay. The kitchen. On the inside.
Fried rice,
let me get my
egg roll without the egg roll, and the Southwestern and sausage. Catch you in a few. We're fixing chow down big time. Everybody's dragging out of bed. Trying to drizzle a little bit again, so we might get more rain. It's 4th of July, so happy Independence Day, America. It's gonna be a great one, but we gotta get it started off right. Omnia's going. Got some food, a little sausage roll. Boil up some water. I need some coffee. I'm groggy. All right, let's go. Let's go wander. All right, that's looking sharp. That's America. Nice. Down to the river. I need one of those things to drive around in. But they cost in bushwhacker money like 10 bushwhackers, so I can't. Let's get our toes in the water, see what it feels like. Can't believe only about 80 degrees out here. 4th of July. It's rocky, so you gotta keep these little shoes on, but oh yeah, that's a little cool actually. Oh man, yeah, a little cool. A little muddy too. All the rain, it's kind of made the water dark, but it's clean though. Yeah, she's not afraid of water.
You gotta get your life jacket on, baby.
Got her life jacket on. We're gonna give this a shot. This is gonna be fun. All right. Jennifer's got hers getting all set up. That actually looks really nice. She got the America flag on it. All right, Miss Dee Dee, you got to get ours decorated now. I got that inflatable. Read the box. Oh, put it in low range. Yep. Let's go get in the water. See how you like it. You're doing good so far. Go for a swim. Alright. Yeah, we got a water dog. You just swimming, aren't you? Oh, look at you. Yeah, what a good dog. Getting you some exercise? Come on, baby. There you go. Oh, yeah, good dog. There we go. Go back in. Come on. Keep swimming. Keep on paddling. All that hair and fluff. That's a skinny little dog. She's still wagging her tail. You did good. Did good swimming. Yeah. Good scout. All right. Nana had to set me straight. There's something that's been missing.
A drink.
It's time for a cold snack, right, Nana?
Exactly.
Ah, time to get this party going.
Remember?
You know,
Camping means drinking.
camping means drinking. Amen to that. All right, Scout wants a cold snack. You'll have to settle for cold, dirty water. Snack. All right. Oh, that's the sound we've been waiting for.
Yep.
All right, cold snacks all around. And afraid they might have been having too many cold snacks before they started working. All right. Slip and slide, all kinds of fun going on out here. But I'm gonna try to grill up some burgers on this. Seems excessive, but I think I can get enough heat going to cook something, hopefully. If we can get enough air draft in there. We'll see. Might be a fail, but all those fails, I know a couple of people got some black stones, so we're not gonna go without eating. Place is filling in. Tomorrow's supposed to be the busy day. Tomorrow being Saturday. Lots going on. Pretty cool. Some assembly required. But all in all, pretty nice little gathering for our first Summerfest. Hanging out with our great friends. And the little furry ones. Got some fajitas fixing to be going on over here. Yeah. And the big brown egg. Big brown egg. Just getting that cheese melted. My goodness, that looks good.
Thanks, sir. Got it.
You over there? Okay. Serve it. It just goes way out right now. We'll leave it on the grill. You'll be fine.
I'd say our first Summerfest is a success. We got happy people, we got food being eaten, everything came out pretty good, right? Got the corn salad, so if you got that, everything is great, right? Ah, wonderful. I think Sam's on round 2 over here, so he's looking good, all right? And there's more. And wait, there's more. Ah, fajita meat. Coneseria meat. Ooh, that'll be good. Save room for round 3. This is what it truly means to be an American. Living my best life with my great friends that I've met just because we have a similar camper and similar interests. And then getting to meet more of their family. And hanging out with people that we don't even know. But everybody out here is having a wonderful time. Got people out on the party patio over there. And that's why I love this country, because we still are living in our best country, bar none, and we're able to still do things like this. It's called freedom.
Jennifer's gonna pick whichever one she wants.
Yeah.
Next one,
Look at that American flag.
we're just gonna give the same.
I think Jennifer's really got it going on with that. Yes, I see a thumbs up back there. We're gonna head on up to the clubhouse. Supposed to have some barbecue. See what else they got. I think they got nachos. So, a little late.
Sounds good.
A little late for lunch, so I'm getting really hungry. Hangry, just like the little dog over there was.
Yeah.
She got to eat, so now it's our turn. Ah, Miss Dee Dee is getting us some food. Scout wants some food. Come on, Scout, let's head back over here. See what we got. What you got for us, Miss Dee Dee? Alright. Don't look too bad.
Nope.
You know what time it is. We're gonna chow down and catch you in a few. Alright, last night, Jennifer's gonna cook up some tacos. Can't go wrong with that. See what we got going on the Blackstone over here. Yep, that looks pretty good. Scout's making my job very difficult. Alright, one pole at a time, buddy. Taco night?
Taco night.
I like it. Tacos on a Blackstone.
Yeah. Gotta do a quick propane change, and I think we're gonna be good to go now.
Awesome, awesome. Nana keeping everybody in line over there.
She is.
Trying. All right. Find a drink you like. I elected to do the propane exchange. All right. Got to keep it going. All right. A lot going on out here. Selfie stick. Look at that. Oh, nice decorations over here. Got the pup over there. Got a Clara over here. Hi, Clara. You having a good day?
Yeah, it's a very good day.
You got a nice looking shirt on. I'll give you that.
I do.
That is
Got
beautiful.
this from a very special couple.
Ah, nice. All right. You've had a good view out here.
It's perfect.
This is not bad.
Yeah. Last night I laid right there, had the blackout curtain up.
Yep.
Watched it all.
You can see the fireworks from the camper.
Yep.
That's perfect. Think we'll see some more tonight, I hope.
Oh, I think so.
Yeah. So if you haven't done so far, hit that subscribe button. It costs nothing. You know, drop in a comment if you've been to Kriver or if you're wanting to go do an outing with us. Got any suggestions? Hit me up. Maybe we can do it. Well, I think Emily's here. Dang it, Jennifer.
Chicken.
Holy crap. That looks great. Yeah. For what we're going to remember.
Might not remember much.
Miss Jennifer's taco bar's got it going on. Look at this. Beef, chicken, even the lime.
But I think, yeah.
Miss Dee, this is about as good as it gets.
I know, right?
All right. Sorry, Scout. I'm going to chow down. I think it's time to call it a weekend. Just about got wrapped up here. Everybody else is getting theirs wrapped up. Stevie over there. Time to say goodbye to the beautiful campground and river. Can't wait to do it again. But it is getting hot outside. Oh,
Oh, yeah, it's warm.
bad part about summer's coming. July and August. July's already here. Well, that's going to do it for Summerfest 2025.
It was
I'd say
great.
It was a great event.
Oh, it was a blast.
Didn't see all the fireworks last night because it doesn't show up great on the camera, but they had one heck of a fireworks show, live
They
band, and you know, our bar was going quite strong last night. But
Oh, yeah.
anyhow,
Thanks to Miss Emily.
Miss Emily, thank you. Sam and Clara, thank you. Jennifer, thank you, and your whole family. And of course,
Yeah.
the friendly roof nesters. We sure thank them for coming along.
Oh, yeah.
And who was missing on this event? You. So next time we have an event, check it out. Don't be afraid. Come on out and camp with us.
Oh, yes.
Just some
Yeah.
good people having a good time. But anyhow, Miss Dee Dee approved?
Miss Dee Dee approved.
All right. Well, if you haven't done so far, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you
Down the road.
down the road.